everybody. This is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida Ambience that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Hello, gems. We are here. Remember on the previous vlog, we were here at Spa Beach and Splash Pad, and today we are at Dock Ford. So be sure to hit the like, to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and let's do this. We are over here by Dock Ford. So I had the barbecue pulled pork with fries and coleslaw, and the fries I would give it a 3 out of 5. The pulled pork would be a 4 out of 5, and the sauce is 5 out of 5. So overall, a pretty good sandwich. I would definitely repurchase this sandwich. It was really good and pretty affordable.
Strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of your brandy. Honey, I'll stay so on your love all the time.
So let's talk about my total. What I ordered was $18.08. I got the pulled pork and the Sprite. So I think as a price point, it was not too bad for one person. Now let me talk about the food. I feel like the fries could have been more. I like my fries crispy on the outside but soft inside, and I don't know if the fries were maybe sitting there for a little too long. For those who know about fries, those who are like myself, fries connoisseurs, so I like my fries just like that. It has to have enough crunch and softness and bite and all to it, but It was pretty good. But my favorite of the whole thing was the sauce that came with it. The sauce was really delicious.
Let me take you to the beach. Let me take you out to eat. Let me take you shopping. Let's get it on and popping. Let me take you out and have some fun in the Florida sun. You know what I mean? Enjoy life with Marlene. Enjoy life with Marlene. Here's another thing I want to say. Check out my outfit of the day. Let me show you fun. Let me show you how to have fun in the sun.
Stay tuned for the next part on the series where I will be showing you the pier with the sunset. Today's motivation is if you don't like the road you're walking, start paving another one. You know, like I say all the time, it's up to us. If you don't like it, let's not be lazy or procrastinate, make excuses. It's your life. It's my life. And I give myself the permission to live it. I'm Life with Marlene, your life coach. And shout out to the channel members, Love Baby, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, Sirius as a Virgo from Georgia, Miss Nexie, Tracy Positive Corner, Tasha, Von D Gaming, That Green Vegan, James Wilson, Nate the Great Podcast 2.0, Oliver's Vlog TV Mix, Global Empire ENT Media, Always That Girl, and Lara Yellow Sword. If you want to be featured, join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents. I am Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. Thank you so much for being a gem. And if you're new, feel free to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and leave me a comment in the comment section below.
In the sun. Life with Marlene.